Heathens by 21 Pilots. Let's learn it. Get your things. Or don't. Because it's the internet. Live your life. Do what you want. Let's go! Okay, first groove we're gonna play, we have like 8 bars before we actually get in. So when the drums come in, hi-hat, eighth notes, bass drum, counts 1 and the end of 3. Snare drum on 2 and 4, right here. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, and. Okay, there you go. That was it. All right, some of those rim shots were a little sus. Whatever, being nice to ourselves, just working it out. If this gives you trouble, go to the 8th note bass drum grid video. That will help you with this. Go back and forth, flip-flop. This, bass drum. This, bass drum grid. This, twice, then half of the bass drum. You get it. Next groove. Hi-hats only on and of 1. Downbeat of 3. And of 3. In the first odd number measures, it's on the and of 4. And I think I hear that it's played in the even number measures with count 4. So I'm going to do it like that. Honestly, you just want to change up the hi-hat any way you can. You just don't want to play all the 8th notes because this is what differentiates the chorus and the verse. So let's try it. Here we go. Okay, remember you stop only with the bass drum on count 1 following that phrase. Okay, now we're at the chorus again. So let's do it. Here we go. The reason I didn't play hi-hat on count 1 is because there's no hi-hat on count 1 in the next section. So now we're going to play 4 bars of just bass drum on 1, hi-hat on the and of 1, snare on 2 and 4, 4 times. Then we're going to go back to that groove that we were playing earlier, like that kind of funky groove. Let's try it. Here we go. All right, so you had a little bass drum solo there. Then we're going into the jum. That was count 4. That watch it. Okay, I will. Fine. I'm counting, so I am watching it. You heathen. All right, now we're getting into the heavy part. the nitty-gritty. You have that same groove we've been playing in the odd number measures. Then on count 4 of measure 2, we'll play snare floor. Then in measure 4, we'll end snare floor together on count 4. You're just now adding floor tom for some drama. Here we go. There you go. You got it. It's not too bad, is it? All right, after your 4-bar break there, we go back into the same groove we've been playing, okay, except on the 4th time, all right, that last count 4, we have a sextuplet. Sextuplet just means 16th notes, but triplets. So there's 6 notes that fit into one count, and we're going to split it between 3 drums. First 2 notes we'll play on snare drum, second 2 on tom-tom. You could really play them on any tom if you wanted, and then the last 2 on floor tom, and then a big crash at the end. So let's practice that fill first, and then we'll play the groove. Here we go. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. Want me to do it slower? Here, I'll do it slower. 2, 3. 2, 3. Right? And then when you speed it up, yay! Fast! Flex! Get them! Now let's play the groove and close it out. 4th time. Back up, buck up, buck up. You got this. You're going to play this next one, 2-bar phrase. We've already played it. It's that watch it. We're going to play those first 2 bars 3 times in a row from that previous section. Then we'll finish with 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Then we're out for a minute. Let's try it. All right, we're going to play that chorus groove again, except on measure 1, we're also going to play bass drum on the and of 4. It feels like you can kind of hear this earlier in the recording, but it's not really obvious. Okay, so you can add that whenever, but it's definitely in this part of the song. All right, so let's try it. It's very crucial that you end it right there. It ends on the and of 4 with the hi-hat. So there you go. That's it. That's all you need. Hey, I hope you had fun. I hope it made sense. Right? Heathens by 21 Pilots is a great song. I really enjoyed playing along to it. I appreciate AJ for the request. Shout out to AJ. I'm trying to get my hair as cool as that guy. I hope you have a good one. Oh, Stinky, febreezey. I almost forgot. Stinky, my back's been jacked. I got a jacked back. Not like jacked, but like it's been... Anyway, febreezey it's feeling better, man. I got a shot, like a needle in my spine. Apparently that's a thing that happens. So, hey, no matter what your negative is, it can become a positive. Right now is the perfect time for you to make your positive. Make sure you're well. Make sure you stay safe. Wash those hands. I'll see you later.